Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Sorry, I won't be vlogging much today, as I'm going to be going round my aunt's for dinner today. However, I'll try and vlog more after I get back. I may, of course, do a video of me of me playing the darts. I need to get as much practice in as I possibly can. Ready for my first team game with my new darts team on Tuesday the 3rd of February. But I can't hang about any longer because I need to get going for my aunt's because, to be honest, I am a little bit late. So now I am back from my aunt's and I had a really nice dinner. We had a homemade curry courtesy of my cousin. Don't get me wrong, my cousin's curry is absolutely delicious. So I had that curry with rice, poppadoms and some naans. Out of everybody else, I'm the only one who has lime pickles on my poppadoms. Not a lot of people are a big fan of lime pickles, but I absolutely love them. But now that I'm home, I'm going to have a practice session on my dartboards. But before I do that, I've received my replacement sticks for the for my Nintendo Switch Pro controller. So I'm going to go out into the kitchen where it's waiting for me and fit it there and then. So here's the Pro controller in question. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got a small screwdriver here, and then I'm going to take the hand grips off. That's counterclockwise. Of course, the lights are as you can see, the light is already on because my Nintendo Switch in the living room is already on. Like that. Need to be careful and keep track of all these screws, because if I put them in the wrong order, it could go horribly wrong. There we are. Here are the handle grips off. As you've noticed, there's no thumbstick on here. I've managed to take out the broken one, and I'm going to put a brand new one in its place. Then I'm going to locate the other screw. So there's another one here to take the back off. So this is a little fiddly. And one on the opposite sides. Well, that should be loose. Oh no, rather not. I've forgotten two other screws. That's like that. Okay, so now the case is coming off, and as you can see there's the battery. What I'm going to do actually is I'm going to take that out. There we go. Next, there was a screw in this one, but yesterday when I was taking the broken thumbstick out, I ended up losing it, unfortunately. So next I'm going to turn it over. Need to locate the other screws that is holding this holding the front in, because I've got to take that off in order to get to there. So just bear with me. Yes, remembered. Next screw is in now. It's been a bit awkward. Yeah, I can't see with my shadow in the way. I'll be right back. I'm going to see if I can shine a light from the opposite side of the counter here. Okay, so I've got my headlamp on, and I can now see the screw properly. Get into there. There we are. It's buckling, and the other one now. Right, there we go. The front should now come off. I've just got to be careful. Yeah, got the screws there. And see if I can get the front off. Normally I wouldn't film stuff like this, but yeah, because normally both my hands are full. But I've got my phone on a tripod. So I'm trying to locate. Aha! I see the other screws on here. God, there's so many screws on this thing, and they're so tiny as well. That explains why I lost this one that goes in here. So take off the screws on here. And both those screws are out. Now, the front should now come off. Like that. Ooh, this is so awkward. So, bear with me on this one. Am I missing any more screws? No, it don't. No, it doesn't look like it. I think I've got them all. Just need to figure out a way. Had to change tripods because the previous one wasn't behaving. So I'll try and get this off. So bear with me. There we go. It's coming off. And, be careful because there's a ribbon cable connecting both sides. So if I just leave it like that, like that, and then I'm going to take the brand new thumbstick out of this box here. There's the replacement thumbstick there, so I'm going to just simply stick it onto there. That should be on. Now to put the top part back over like that, and look at that, it's looking lovely already. Now to put all the screws back. So one in there, one in there. I'm going to use one of the screwdrivers that came in the pack. That's a lot easier actually. So, oh, hello, it's already put one in there earlier. Oh, in there. These are long, yeah. These two screws, they're the longest, so that they are going to go in here and in here. So put those sides. God, the stuff like this is so fiddly. So get the other one in like that, and the other one in. And now next up, put the battery back in. Then put the back in. The screws are already in the hinges, so screw those back in. Yeah, and you can see you can probably see the lights on the bottom there flashing, trying to connect to my Nintendo Switch, but yeah, there it is. And like that. And there we go. The back is back in now for the handles, or the grips even. And use one of the long screws in there. Like that. And finally, the other handle. And there we go. Now that the new thumbstick is successfully in the controller, I'm going to quickly try it out. So let's boot up my Nintendo Switch here. And there it is. Let's try it out. Yeah, and it's working like it should. There we go. So another successful repair. Of course, there was a pack of 2 in the pack of the replacement thumbsticks, but you can't go wrong with a spare. Next, I'm going to do some darts practice. I'll probably have a camera set up onto the dartboards and show you how I'm doing. I can't promise you I'll be great at it because I'm still technically practicing. But the lady who's leading my darts team, she thinks I'm pretty good. Just a few rough edges to trim off. Oh, 121. Bullseye. Ah. 60. 125. So I've had my darts practice. As you saw earlier, I've just included some good shots, but I still need to do a bit more practice here and there to try and. I've got to work on my throw stance and my aiming. But that aside, I'm still doing the best I can. Now, change of subjects. If you remember my Spot the Rat minigame back into my previous vlogs, there's like only one person taking part, and yeah, he keeps winning them all. So what I might think about doing is putting up a poll to see if anyone would vote yes or no to carry on the minigame. So here's the little rats here. So basically, if you want me to carry on with the minigame, just vote yes or no in the forthcoming poll. Also, he needs a name. So if you can think of a good name for him, just comment on this video on Facebook or on YouTube, because this is going to go on YouTube as well. And then I'll decide a name for the rats there and then. Now we are coming up to the end of the part 2 of this vlog. So today I've gone round my aunt's for dinner and had my cousin's homemade curry. Come back home and put a brand new thumbstick into my Nintendo Switch's Pro controller. Showed you me playing some of my darts and discussing the future of the Spot the Rat minigame in my vlogs. But now that's all I've got time for now for this vlog, and I am going to end it with this. Remember, you're unique, be kind, be yourself, and smash life. See you later, everyone.